In this video we will add sword to the player hand. So before adding the sword, let's go ahead and drag and drop the idle animation from the sword attack and set this as the default state. Okay, and double click on it, and just for now remove the loop time from it. Okay, click apply. Then if we open up the player main game object, then in here let's open up the spine, then spine 1, spine 2, then open up the right shoulder, right arm, then right forearm, then the right hand, and in here this is all of the player fingers. Okay, so what we will do, if we open a player model, then rifles, in here we have this sword. So let's drag and drop this sword right here in the right hand. Okay, there it is. Now let's click on it, click on prefab unpack completely, then let's play the game. And as you can see, there is the sword. Okay, the player animation is now, as you can see, finished. So now we are ready to fix the sword position. So in the scene view, click on the sword. Okay, and let's rotate it like this on -80. Then let's move this right here. Okay, so fix the sword position like this. Then before stopping the game, copy the component of this sword like this. Then let's stop the game, click on this sword, and right here click on paste component values. Okay, so as you can see, the sword is now in the straight direction. If we click on this animator right here, set this as the default layer, double click on this idle, and again set it to loop time, click apply. That is it. Now if we play the game again, so as you can see, the player is holding the sword. Okay, let's activate the sword fighting. As you can see, there it is. If we try to hit, as you can see, now the sword is in the perfect position, as you can see. Okay, so in this way you can add your own sword. So I hope you understand how you can add that, and with this done I will end this video right here.